How to install Kimi AI app on Android phone. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to visit Kimi.ai and you're going to look over here on the left side. You should be able to see this option over here. So simply hover on this mobile icon and you should be able to see here a QR code. So let me change to camera over here and we should be able to be redirected into our QR code over here very easily, very straightforward. And now we have the Kimi download page over here, which will allow us to download our APK. So simply click on download anyway. And then after that, we should then be able to get our APK, open it, click on install, and we should be able to download Kimi Assistant or the Kimi AI version of mobile devices. So after that, depends on what device you're running. It will do some security checks over here. Let me go over here. Let's look for it. There we go. Kimi AI. And you should now be able to utilize Kimi AI over here. Although this is going to be in Chinese, but that is how you will be able to get Kimi AI for your Android phone. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.